Okay, so you're ready to form your LLC. That's awesome. Starting a business is such an exciting step. But here's the thing, a few common mistakes can slow you down, cost you money, or even cause some major headaches later on. That's why, in this video, I'm breaking down 5 mistakes you need to avoid when forming your LLC in 2025 and showing you how using a service like Taylor Brands can make the whole process a whole lot smoother. And hey, if you want to check it out for yourself, I've added a link to Taylor Brands down in the description and pinned comment below. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, mistake number 1, choosing the wrong business name. Alright, let's start with one of the most common mistakes, choosing a business name that doesn't work. Your LLC's name needs to be unique. It can't already be registered in your state. A lot of people skip checking the state registry first, and if you pick a name that's already taken, your LLC application will get rejected. To avoid this, make sure you search your state's database before you file. Services like Taylor Brands can help with this step by making it super easy to see if your business name is available. Trust me, taking 2 minutes to check will save you a ton of frustration later. Mistake number 2, forgetting to appoint a registered agent. The second mistake people make is forgetting to appoint a registered agent. If you're not familiar, a registered agent is the person or company that receives important legal and tax documents for your LLC. Most states require you to have one, and they need to have a physical address in the state where you're forming your LLC. Here's the problem. If you skip this step, your LLC won't be compliant, and you could miss important notices or deadlines. To keep things simple, you can either appoint yourself if you meet the requirements, or you can have Taylor Brands act as your registered agent. It's reliable, and they'll make sure you never miss a thing. Mistake number 3, not filing your articles of organization properly. Now, mistake number 3 is a big one, not filing your articles of organization properly. This document is what makes your LLC official with the state, so any errors, missing details, or forgotten fees can cause delays or even rejections. If you're filing it yourself, it's easy to miss something, which is why a lot of business owners use Taylor Brands to handle the paperwork. They make sure everything is filled out correctly and submitted to your state so you don't have to stress about it. Mistake number 4, skipping an operating agreement. The fourth mistake, and it's a sneaky one, is skipping an operating agreement. Even though some states don't legally require one, having an operating agreement is still super important. It outlines how your LLC will be run, who owns what, and what happens if there's a disagreement or if someone wants to leave the business. If you skip this step, small misunderstandings can turn into big problems down the road, especially if you're not running the business alone. Taylor Brands makes this easy too. They offer tools and templates to help you create a solid operating agreement quickly and without the guesswork. Mistake number 5, not staying compliant with state requirements. Finally, the 5th mistake is failing to stay compliant with state requirements. Forming your LLC is just the beginning. To keep your LLC in good standing, you'll need to file annual reports, renew your registered agent, and pay any state fees on time. If you forget or miss a deadline, your LLC could fall out of compliance, and you might end up paying penalties, or worse, losing your LLC status altogether. The good news is that Taylor Brands offers reminders and tools to help you stay on top of everything, so you don't have to worry about forgetting those important filings. How to avoid these mistakes. Okay, so let's recap what we covered. Choosing the wrong name, forgetting a registered agent, messing up your articles of organization, skipping the operating agreement, and not staying compliant. These mistakes might sound small, but they can cause some pretty big headaches if you're not careful. That's why using a service like Taylor Brands is such a smart move. They simplify every step of forming your LLC, handle the paperwork, and help you stay compliant, all so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Ready to get started? Well, if you're ready to form your LLC the right way, check out the link to Taylor Brands in the description or pinned comment below. It's quick, it's easy, and it's one of the best tools out there for small business owners. If you've got any questions or have run into any of these mistakes yourself, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips to grow your business in 2025. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC.